Unraveling the meaning of rub for tenderness. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring an intriguing phrase, rub for tenderness. This phrase might sound a bit unusual at first, but it's packed with meaning and emotion. So, if you're ready to expand your understanding and usage of English expressions, you're in the right place. Rub for tenderness isn't a common expression you'll find in textbooks. In fact, it's more of a poetic or idiomatic way to describe a gesture of affection, care, or comfort. The word rub here refers to the act of gently massaging or stroking someone or something, while tenderness is the quality of being gentle, soft, or sensitive. Together, this phrase can evoke a sense of gentle care or the act of providing comfort through a soft touch. This phrase beautifully captures the human need for touch and comfort. It can be used metaphorically to describe any action taken to soothe pain, ease distress, or convey love and care. Whether it's a physical gesture towards a person or an animal, or a figurative approach to handling a situation delicately, rub for tenderness speaks volumes about empathy, compassion, and the healing power of touch. Let's look at how rub for tenderness might be used in sentences to better grasp its application. After the rough day she had, her friend's hug was a rub for tenderness, making her feel much better. The way he gently calmed the frightened puppy was like a rub for tenderness, showing his kind heart. In these examples, the phrase is used to highlight actions of comfort and care, emphasizing the emotional support provided through gentle, caring gestures. The phrase, rub for tenderness, is a beautiful example of how language can capture the depth of human emotions and interactions. It reminds us of the importance of kindness, empathy, and the simple yet profound impact of a gentle touch. We hope this exploration enriches your understanding and appreciation of the English language. Remember, it's not just about learning words and grammar. It's about communicating feelings and experiences. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the wonderful world of English. Stay curious, and keep learning.